Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How long do you take Venclexta for? If you have previously untreated CLL, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, or SLL, small lymphocytic leukemia, then Venclexta is usually taken in combination with Gazyva, obinutuzumab, for 12 months. If you have previously received treatment for CLL or SLL, then Venclexta is usually taken in combination with rituximab for up to 24 months. For patients with AML, acute myeloid leukemia, Venclexta is continued on a once-daily maintenance dosing cycle, usually in combination with another therapy, for as long as it is deemed safe by your doctor, until disease progression or unacceptable toxicity is observed. Talk with your doctor about how long you should take Venclexta. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.